Okay, so today we're looking at direct proportion. So the question, f is directly proportional to a. All that means is that there is a relationship between f and a. In other words, as one increases, so does the other in the same proportion each time. And we can write that as f, and that sign just means is proportional to a. Okay, and so what that means is there's some sort of constant between f and a. So, and we use k for that. So f equals k times a. Okay, and k is a constant which we can work out, and that describes the proportional relationship. So if f equals 24 when a equals 8, find a when f equals 18. So there's two steps to this. The first thing we need to do is work out what k is. In other words, what is the relationship, and we can use the values that we've got. So f equals 24 when a equals 8. Okay, so rewriting f equals k times a with our values for f and a. So what we've got is 24 equals k, constant, times 8. And so using that, we can work out, well, 3 times 8 is 24, so k must equal 3. So rewrite your relationship now, so f equals 3a. Okay. Okay, so no matter what value you have for f or a, that 3 will always stay the same. It's a constant. Now we can go on to the second part of the question. So find a when f equals 18. So let's substitute 18 into this equation. So 18 equals 3a. In other words, 18 equals 3 times whatever a is. 18 divided by 3 would be 6, so a equals 6. 3 times 6 would give you 18. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is pause the video and then go on and do the your turn question on the other side. Okay. Okay, well done. So I'll just go through the answers then. So same, f is proportional to a. So f equals k times a. Substituting our values in this time. So 25 equals k times 5. So k equals 5. So f equals 5a. Now I found a relationship then, the last step. So 40 equals 5a. 40 divided by 5, a equals 8. And that's your answer. Okay, so I'm going to do another example now. Okay, so there's two differences this time that you'll see. First one is just instead of it saying is directly proportional to, you've just got the proportion sign. And the second one is you'll see that instead of y, in this example, y being directly proportional to x, it's directly proportional to x squared. Okay, the same as on your turn one, and you can apply this to any type of question like this. It won't always be squared. Sometimes it might, for example, be x cubed and so on. But the same rules and principles apply. Okay, so all I'm going to do first is rewrite this as y equals kx squared. And now I'm going to put my values in. So that means 45 equals k times 3 squared. This is where the square changes things. So what you need to work out 3 squared first of all. So 45 equals k times 9, or 9k. Okay, just solve for k then. So divide out the 9. So 45 divided by 9 is 5. So 5 equals k, or k equals 5. And now I can rewrite this equation with my k value of 5. So what I know now is that y equals 5x squared. And now I'm asked to find x when y equals 180. So put your y value of 180 into the equation. So 180 equals 5x squared. And we want to solve for x because we're asked to find x. So 100, divide out the 5 first of all. So 180 divided by 5 is 36. So 36 equals x squared. And then to get x from that, so square root of 36 is 6. So x equals 6. Okay, and again, use that as your example, but I'm going to pause the video now to let you try the your turn question. Okay, well done. So we've got y equals kx squared. Put the values in, so 12 equals k times 2 squared. 12 equals k times 4, or 4k. Divide by 4 and give me 3 equals k. And put that back into your original equation. So y equals 3x squared. Now use your values. So we want to find x when y equals 48. So 48 equals 3x squared. I'm going to solve for x. So divide by 3, 16 equals x squared. And then to get x, find the square root. So the square root of 16 equals 4. So x equals 4. Okay, good work on that. So what I'd like you to do now is go on back to your emails and complete the task that's been set and send it to me when it's done. Thank you.